Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelly. Basically, you start out with massive amounts of data. You say, how are we going to analyze this? Well, let's fire up a pivot table and see if we can solve this problem.
Hey, all right, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelly. Today's question is sent in by Joe. Joe is actually in one of my seminars, and I don't have a good solution for Joe, so I'm actually looking for your help. I want to see if you have a solution to this. Joe has a large data set. He gets this data set from a vendor. He needs to return the data set in the exact same format back to the vendor. And Joe will come in and use the filter to find certain records. And then Joe needs to transform these records so he can copy that data, Control-C to copy, go to a blank worksheet, and it does successfully bring just the filtered records. That works fine. And now that Joe has this data, he can do some sort of a transformation. Who knows what he has to do? Maybe he has to, I'm going to put in 2.5 here and copy and paste special multiply. Values, click OK. Maybe changes, I can't imagine its colors. But, he has to make some changes to here, and he likes it to be a nice contiguous block of data. And let's see here. Change. All right, so now here's Joe's problem. Joe says, I'd like to take this data and copy it and paste it back into the filtered data. But there doesn't seem to be any way to do this. If I would paste here in row 3, it's going to go to row 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I do the Alt semicolon to select the visible cells first, that doesn't solve the problem. I couldn't find any good way to take that data and paste it back into the filtered selection. I guess what we'd have to do is sort this data to get it to the top. The other thing we could do, Bob, I was talking to Bob, and Bob gave me a little macro that would do it. And this macro basically goes through here, and it loops through everything on the filtered data set, checks to see if this row is hidden, and if it's not, then it goes and gets the next record from the other worksheet, and that seems to work. So here, let's run that macro. Paste back, run, and it brings the right stuff over. You can see this all here. It doesn't affect the other records. But, I wonder if you've ever run into this where you have this data and you copy the filtered data and then need to get it back. What are your methods to solve that? Drop me a note, bill@MrExcel.com. See if we can't find something better than the macro method to solve this. Well, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.